Good morning, vlog. I'm Rio. For those who don't know me, for those who do, welcome back to my vlog. Ooh, hey. Today is gonna be a different type of vlog. Today we finna do a day in the life as a hairstylist. Haven't done one of these in a long time. I'll try to get a TikTok Rio version going as well, but right now it's 10:22 and I am gonna. Sorry, I had to get a little thumb nizzy. I don't do it again. Like I was saying, today's gonna be a day in the life as a hairstylist vlog. I got a 11:30, a 12, a 2, a 4, a 5, and I got, okay, so I got 11:30, a 12, a 2, a 4, then I got a 5, and I got 2 at 7. So I got 8 clients in total. We're gonna be working all day. It's December 30th. Gotta get that New Year's money in. You know, black people treat New Year's like a holiday. Who is texting me? Okay, so I'm finna get up out of here because I gotta go to the beauty supply store and I gotta get me a coffee. I wanna get to the shop and enjoy my coffee before my clients get there. So I will see y'all when I leave.
Spiders, sex, yeah, 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 yeah.
Bro, what the fuck? It's so dark. Go Salukis. Yeah, this one I'm wearing today. I'm tired of wearing black hoodies. And I wasn't even gonna take this bag because I'm taking another bag. I had another bag with my hair in it and my makeup in it and my hair products. But my ride just pulled up, so I'll see y'all when I get to the beauty supply. Let me show y'all what I got from the beauty supply. I got a wig cap. I had the wig today. The Holy Grail on the meltdown, honestly. That's what it is. Some bleach. And okay, I love these. First of all, they're so tiny, they're so compact, and I can use this for like 3 weeks. I like that, and I like even blue because they last longer. And I got coffee, and right now it's 10:56. I'm early, and I'm gonna set up everything. I just plugged in my oven so I can get the hot comb ready, and I just need to set up all my shit. I need to thread some needles. See, my thing is, like, y'all know New Year's Eve coming up, right? When I tell you everybody is texting me, like, I'm already at 8 years. Now might be at 10. I got 2 more people texting me right now. This shit is crazy. My phone's gonna die. Cause really, I work all day today, all night. Like, I don't get no fuck.
Oh my gosh, Chloe. I be in a loop, she be in a group. Brody want a friend, don't have a loop. Turns out I'm the nothing, bro, I'm living proof. How can I lose when we the who's who's? Still running around with my heart, get ready, pack to go, yeah. People probably think I show up, I ain't even give it yet. Running up a silly shit, staying off the internet. Should've stayed really honest, turn any given time. Personal problems still a talking, cause I got rich without them. Only thing they should be saying is, baby, keep it silent. We ain't even keep it too used to be, this shit slick divided. Right, got no hustle or nothing, so we gon' stick about it. I be knowing the rundown, I'm doubting, so I can't speak about it. She don't want the things, and she love me, I bring the freak about it. Can't play with me, you know I coach you. I'm in a different league, I'm tired of showing I can get done. What you gon' do for me? 40,000 miles up in the air, only time I get some Z's. Full cook press foot on their neck, and I can't let them breathe. Blood, sweat, and tears come with this check, it ain't nowhere near easy. Had to fall back, you know how that go, we only speaking briefly. Hope I'm not too much to handle. See the nigga from Atlanta, I spent my last check on ammo. This is not a regular Lambo. $100,000 kit, could've put down on another Lambo. Don't be in the mix, I built this shit forever, have to say so. This shit gon' get serious about my money, this ain't no fucking play-doh. Wrote it down for double homicide, I try to tell him lay low.
For this fame, yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that trap, too sexy for that job, yeah, yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine, okay. I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests, and I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped a Tesla, now she gonna let you. Okay, alright, that's fine, okay. Think we got too sexy for that metro house. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy, well tell me what you like about him. You a turtle little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'm a fuck of friends and send no back, don't match your housing. Too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that chop. Yeah. I pop out, get ghosts on the bitch, you don't know where I went. Can't fall my dogs, all my niggas behind the fence. Dripping in and out, spilling in the new designer gear by coaster. Pay attention to the detail, going two-tone on choker. Young niggas always ready to murder, some call them smokers. Young nigga have emotion, you don't make sure the car get hit a 360, windmill when I left the scene. That's that action, her best work on her knees. Too sexy for this cash, too sexy for this serve, too sexy for these pills, I'm too sexy for this. I get cash wherever I fly, got bitches sexing on me. Money, cars, and all the jewelry, make a business sense. Too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that chop. Yeah.
Narco, got dope like Pablo. Pablo, cut throat like Pablo. Cut throat, shot tree with the Draco. Draco, on the knob, got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out, no monkey in the jungle, fly high like a sauna. Bustin' nothing, I'm tryna weave an anaconda. Jumping in the water, tryna sleep across the water glass. See, boys out, got me big out for run out. Bag of money, know I gotta have it. Savage, put up till the gentleman in Cali. Atlantic, nigga turn around about the cabbage. And it's all family, do run off with the bitch. I jump in the back when I'm with a Bogota. Fuck his eyes out, and I'm face off. Remove my jaw, I don't know if it's tough. Jump chainsaw and I'ma saw our legs off. They know that we're a game, but they say that we're a ring. Investigators taking pictures of the whole thing. Feel like we're trying to do a thing. 10 minutes on the plane, watch them in the team. Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Shot trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Hey, cocaine with the cocaine. The more money make more rain. Going up a bank while I'm back at propane. Point blank range, give a nigga nose range. Skip to my loo with the pack and the cat. Jiffy, loo with the bricks, where they at? Drippin', booze, the paddock all wet. Birds in the truck, they ain't leaving at the nest. Yeah, 5 days set like milk. Yup, running with the pack, got slipped. Hands in the kitchen, try cut his finger up. Nigga being greedy, we gon' cut his tummy out. 100 bricks on the road, took a couple routes. Flush mama house, her man's a Philly couch. I ain't really with the razzle dazzle. Knock him out, but then I throw him out the boat paddle. Go to Tijuana, put the kilo on the saddle. Sack him, hit a lick and cop a pterodactyl. Dap him, chop a bite down like an apple. Match it with the acres, with the horses in the cattle. Like a narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Shot trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego.
Always thinking about that bitch. She too hot and cooling down. Probably rolling with them niggas now. Why I haven't called her yet? Have I blown the cover yet? Girl, I'm about to catch a feeling. Think I'm about to bust a sweat. Ballin' with your sisters now. Finally hit the switches now. Used to test to Jodeci. Party paint the picture now. Down, 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 down. Never had better. She knows she's been soaked, never been wetter. Highlighters, Patron faces. Shot after shot, she wasted forever. I know you bad, you know you are. Girl, you ain't got it so hard. Oh, you made it. Girl, you made it. Oh, no, no. Girl, you made it. Look how you made it. Love how you made it.
Like a raccoon.
Walking out
It's
just
always a
one by one.
the bitch don't go right.
See what's on
You got some vacation time. You and your girlfriend too bad, mind. Bad, bad, bad when you both combine. I don't know why you look so nice. Girl, you're not nice, you're rude. Want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do. Don't care, you look so nice, but you're not nice, you're rude. Look what you putting me through. I never do this to you. I need to hold a corner. So one time. I need to hold a corner. And it's no one time. I need you. 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 Right now we're just taking time. All the things are on your mind. They want bad, bad, bad when I treat you right. I don't care how you look so nice. Crying at night, you're rude. Want me to feel like I'm new.
Yeah.